What's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great growing day. Just wanted to give you guys an update on the outside garden. It is still producing, you guys. Look at this broccoli. You remember when I started these little teeny broccoli plants? Look how big this is, you guys. Trying to give you an idea of just how large it's got. It's beautiful. But yeah, and that's just one. And now the others are coming out. Well, coming out, blossoming. Look at that, you guys. This is the broccoli on the outside garden, still growing. Okay. And then these didn't do so well. The Brussels sprouts. It may be a soil issue, but everything else grew great over here, especially the tomatoes. You guys remember those? They grew great over here. And the collards did as well. These collards are still blooming, y'all. Today is January the, what is it, the 8th? And they're still producing new leaves. Yep. Now, I picked these a while ago, and they're just fulling right back out. And look at this weather, y'all. This is winter in Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. And it's 79 degrees in my greenhouse with no heater, no grow lights, no heat source at all. So we've been having some not so normal weather. Here's some more broccoli just starting to bud. Here's our other broccoli. Let me get out of the light so you guys can see. They're coming on out, y'all. These are all my broccoli. First time ever growing broccoli. And look, in the ground, spinach. Spinach is still coming up. These are my spinach plants, y'all. Mustard greens. Wow, mustard greens still growing. Mustard greens still coming up. I'm gonna pick these guys. Yeah, don't let anything go to waste. I'm going to pick these mustard greens. It's not going to be a lot, but I can mix them in with some other greens. You can do a mixed green mixture. Little collards, little mustard, little broccoli leaves, throw some spinach in there, and keep it moving. Now look at this Brussels sprout over here. She got a little bigger, and there looks like some little notes under there. Can't really see. But yeah, you see some of them grew big, they just didn't grow up. You see those little nodes in there? Maybe. Yeah. So there you have it, you guys. The outside garden is still growing a little bit. So just wanted to give you an update on that. We can't forget about our outside garden, you guys. So take care. It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. Peace out. Have a great growing day. I love you guys. You're the best.